Hi, I'm Lee. Today we're talking about Aspire pavers. Aspire pavers are lightweight, easy to install, made from 95% recycled materials. They're durable, low maintenance, and they're used for various applications like we're doing here, which is resurfacing a concrete patio. So in this particular project, it was an old concrete patio. It had some cracks in it. Our options were to tear out the patio and put a whole new patio in, or resurface. So we used our resurfacing paver. We chose the basket weave pattern, which is a very simple pattern to apply. The nice thing about this is, if I get tired with that pattern, next year I want something different, I could pull these pavers up and put down a herringbone pattern, so I can change it. I could also add some color. Or let's say for some reason, I've wrecked one paver, I can easily pull that paver out because they're not attached, they're not glued in, they're loose laid. I can pull that paver out and install a replacement paver. So a lot of options and patterns. I could add accent colors, which we're going to do later, to tie in that brick wall with our water wheel gray paver. So you have tremendous amount of flexibility, options. This was very easy to install. We're almost done. We're going to finish up here this morning with our trim around the outside with our transition paver that will take that back down to the original landscaping. Just really easy to work with. There's no training required. Anybody can do this. The Aspire paver system comes with this patented grid, and that's the key to this system. This is a 16 by 16 inch grid, covers 1.78 square feet. It's designed so that the pavers go in exactly the spot that they need to go. And you can do various patterns with this as well, as you can see here. And the way that this whole works is that this paver here will actually straddle and interlock with the adjacent grid. That locks the whole system together. Very easy to do. It's kind of, as many people say, it's like Legos for adults. The Aspire pavers and grids can cut easily. Cut it with common tools. We're using a miter saw and a jigsaw to cut these. The pavers themselves can be cut. Comes with accessories as well that enables you to finish the job with trim. For example, we have the bull nose, gives you that nice soft rounded edge. When you have an exposed, let's say a balcony where you see it from up above, you want that nice edge, or steps. We also have a transition paver. The transition paver transitions are 1.75 inches of height down to the original patio. And it's what we're using behind me here. We're using the transition because we're doing a resurfacing job. So we want to go back down to the original landscape. So a lot of versatility with the product. The Aspire paver does not require a sealer. No sealer needed. It's not porous, so it won't absorb stains like a concrete or brick paver. The Aspire paver is also very durable, and it comes with a no crack lifetime warranty for pedestrian applications.